Hi, everybody. Welcome to AP Physics C Mechanics. My name is Angela Jensvold, and today we're going to do a little preparation for next week's AP exam. We have exactly a week to go. So we want to practice. I mean, we've been practicing physics, but what we really want to practice today is knowing what the platform is going to look like, advice on how you should submit your answers. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to do some physics questions, but we're going to practice uploading them to the platform. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you two questions, a long one, just like you're going to see. And the first one, you're going to have 25 minutes, and then we're going to have 5 minutes to upload, and we're going to do that together. Okay. So what I would like you to do, here is the option that I'm strongly encouraging you to do, and I'm begging you to do, because I'm a reader, and I would rather read your typing, no offense, than your handwriting. Okay, so it says best device to use, a laptop or desktop if you can. Type your response into Google Docs, Word, Notes, something like that. Don't include images. Do not draw a graph. Do not draw a forced diagram. Typed stuff only, words. Type your APID and initials at the top of the response. And when the timer has 5 minutes remaining, copy and paste your response into the space. That's what we're going to practice today. Okay, I'm going to give you 25 minutes. I'm going to stop you at 25 minutes, and we're going to go together and copy paste into the platform. Okay, so if you can, have your Microsoft Word, whatever application you're using, in one window, and then have this YouTube channel in the other window, okay? And then copy and paste. Okay, so here we go. We don't have a lot of extra time today. So click on that link, and I'm gonna hide my video so you can see the timer, the countdown timer. And I'm gonna mute myself so I don't disturb you. So you have, it says 30, but that includes the 5 minutes to upload, all right? I'm gonna stop you after 25 minutes, okay? How do I start that timer? Okay, let me see if I can. Okay, go to the link and do, I'm going to mute myself. You guys do the question. Okay, guys, your time is up for the question. Now we have 5 minutes to upload it. So I want you to open, oh, that was our timer. Okay, I want you to go to AP 2020 exam demo at collegeboard.org. Okay, so let me see. Okay, AP 2020 examdemo.collegeboard.org. Just enter practice. And then you click continue. Let's get started. It's just practice, so we'll just type in anything, just the letter A, January 1st. When were you guys born? 2015, probably. So just tiny little babies at gmail.com. Still in all caps, doesn't matter. Testing from home, I agree. Then you click continue. Okay, and then it'll say your exam's going to begin soon. Do not refresh the page. Don't hit back. And these are the 3 options you have. First one is attach a text file. If I had to rank the 3 ways you could do it, I would say this is number 2. So you could attach the Word document that I hope you guys made while I gave you the 25 minutes. This is my least favorite way. It's the most dangerous way for many reasons. First of all, is your photo going to be clear to the reader? Are we going to be able to read your writing? Is the photo going to be blurry? You have an extra step of getting the photo to your computer. I don't know. I just don't advise it. Makes me nervous. Today, we're going to practice copy and paste. So let's look at those copy and paste guidelines. Draft your response in a different application. I really hope you guys did that while I gave you the time in Word or Google Docs or Notes, and then you paste it into a text box. At the top of your document, you should put your AP ID and your initials, and then you put all your answer. It's only one question at a time. You cannot type in the text box, so you've got to paste into the text box. No images. Do not put any images into the text box, okay? It's just typed keyboard characters. That's it. You have plenty of characters, 15,000, that's 5 typed pages. If you make a mistake, hit clear field and just do it again. It's no problem. Clear field, do it again, all right? Once you paste your stuff into the field, make sure you check it. Make sure that the format, it looks the way you intend for it to be communicated. Once you check it, then you hit submit. And once you hit submit, you can't go back. Okay. Now, in terms of what recommendations, reduce the size of this application to view the exam question and your text file side by side. And then another issue is if you don't click submit by the 5 minutes, so remember, we just had 25 minutes, right? And then you get 5 minutes to submit. If you don't click submit by the end of that 5 minutes, that's it. You lost your chance, okay? So make sure you click submit before the 5 minutes is up. Now, it's gonna upload, maybe it'll upload slowly according to your bandwidth, and that's no problem. Do not stress about that. It's gonna do it in the background. Go on to question 2. And then you'll do the same thing. You'll repeat the process. And then after question 2, you will submit before the last 5 minutes, and it'll upload. And then you can sit there. If it were me, I would watch. I would just sit there, and you're waiting for a message that says, okay, I don't remember what exactly it says, but something like, you submitted it. We got it. Don't close your browser until you get that message. Okay. Now, if you're sitting there for hours and you never got the message, then you need to request a makeup because it didn't go through. But don't worry about having, don't worry about let's say it's taking a long time to upload because maybe you have a sibling that's playing Fortnite. I hope not. But to me, it would be better to politely ask people to stay off the internet while you do this, and then you'll get the message and you can just hopefully relax. But if not, and it takes a while, don't worry too much. As long as you eventually get that message, okay? The main thing is you've got to submit before the timer goes off. Otherwise, you lose your chance and you're going to take a makeup. So I know I have some students who they're just trying to do their best work and they kind of go over time, and I'm worried about them. So I hope you guys will watch that timer and click submit before your time is up. Okay, it's almost time. Okay, start working on the exam. So you click continue. Now on exam day, your question is going to display there, right? So it'll have the physics question there. So now here are your choices. Look at the bottom, attach response or paste response. We're going to paste the response. So I'm going to click on paste. I'm going to click in the box and I'm going to do whatever I pasted. Okay. And then question 1 is complete and you move on. Okay, so let's do question 2. I want to make sure, I hope we have time. Okay, let's try. Where did here we go. Okay, so I'm going to give you 15 minutes for this one. Oh, of just the top of the, so I guess you guys weren't able to see everything I did. I'm sorry about that. Just the top browser. Okay, I'm not sure you guys were able to see what I was doing. I'm getting a message. I'm sorry about that. But hopefully you could listen to my instructions and try it on your own with your teacher. Right now I'm going to give you another sample question, and while you're working, I'll try to figure out what happened. Okay, so I'm going to give you, it's not really 20 minutes, it's 15 minutes on the question and then 5 minutes to upload. So you guys go ahead. I'm going to get rid of my video so you can see the timer, and I'm going to mute myself so you can think. Okay, guys, your time is up for this question. What you would do at this point is copy paste into the space on the exam. This is the second option. You guys can freeze this and look at it later, but we don't have time to go over it. This is my second favorite option, which would be attach. And then this is my least favorite option, is attaching a handwritten response. There's no reason you need to do it handwriting. There's no diagrams, there's no graphs. It's all you're able to do it on keyboard, and you're not even allowed to put images in there. Okay. Submitting responses is a two-step process. You attach or paste a response, you click submit. Okay, now let me clarify this, because I don't think I was clear before. If you don't click submit before the timer runs out, your response will not count. That's it. You lose your chance. Okay. Once you click submit, you can transfer. Okay, we talked about this. It'll continue to transfer as long as you click submit before time ran out. But if you didn't click submit before time ran out, you lost your chance. You paid for an exam and nothing is going to count. So you don't have to finish the whole thing to get a 5. Okay, submit whatever you've got at the end of the time. Okay, so the test is not designed so that you have to complete everything. You can get a 5 even if you don't complete everything. Just submit whatever you've got. The most important thing is to meet that deadline. Watch that timer. If your response continues to drift, wait for an on-screen message that your exam is complete. Make sure your submissions are fully loaded before you close your browser or turn off or restart your computer. If you never see that your AP exam is complete, then you request a makeup. Okay, so that means, what I'm trying to say is, if you've met the time deadline and you clicked submit, but for some reason it didn't eventually upload, then you go to cb.org/request makeup. Okay. Now, if you didn't click submit by the time limit, then you're out of luck. And that's really a shame. Okay. So I know my Physics C students very well. They want to do the whole thing. They don't want to miss anything. They're going to be stressed out. Try to remain calm. You can still get a 5 without completing everything. Okay. So I really hope you guys are going to practice this. We're going to go over the solutions tomorrow. We're out of time for today. I think I have one more slide for you. Here are some links you guys could go to we already did the cb.org/AP demo. That would be good. I hope you already know my AP and AP Classroom. Everything else is there. I would watch those videos. I would click on all of those links to make sure that nothing is looking new to you next Monday. Okay. All right. So tomorrow we're going to go over the solutions to the questions we did today. And until then, just stay home, stay in your home, and be safe.